first time at the Hershey Show. You guys excited?
America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
All right, guys, here we go. Hershey 2024, baby. When I say Hershey, you say show. Hershey, Hershey. I expected more okay, guys? We'll have to reconvene. We're gonna do this again. I needed some excitement. We gotta get the viewers excited to be here. Oh, that chassis looks familiar. Same coach chassis we got. All right, we have made it inside the Hershey Show. It's so funny. I've always wanted to come to Hershey as a kid because I think like Hershey chocolate, and I think chocolate bars. As a kid, I would think that the streets would be filled with chocolate bars. I can tell you today, coming to Hershey, that's not a thing. So today we have a meet and greet from 2 to 3 p.m. So we just came inside the Hershey Show and we're gonna find out exactly where the booth is. So that way today we show up, we're not late, and we know exactly where we're going. Thank you. Hey, nice to meet you. Yeah. So we accidentally sent our We+3 cards to the wrong address the other day, and some of our friends picked our cards up. So for some reason we thought we were going to a different RV park. We ended up at another one, but luckily we have these friends online that can bring us our stuff. You know you're at the RV show when they got the shakers.
Get this meet and greet for an hour today. I'm like super excited. You're gonna have to film.
I'm gonna film. Thank goodness for our friends.
I know.
For picking those up. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, those look awesome.
Look at the back.
The tan with the logo.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, whenever we meet a brand, we can just hand these to a brand. Those look
We
good.
didn't spell anything.
I like those.
And they feel nice.
Good looking filters. Check it out, check it out. Blue's got all of, look at these. So they've got the softeners. And look how awesome these filters are. So they're half the size of other brands. Look at that. That's quality right there. Got pressure regulators, all branded. The triple connection, splitters, got the adapters. I'm excited about the stainless steel hoses. That's super cool. What are you doing?
I missed a straw.
Snack shacking, hanging out. We're taking a little break before we do our meet and greet.
I know a few people that said that they were coming to the show, so I hope to see you there.
That's gonna be fun. And yeah, it's just cool to hang out in a booth and meet new friends and connect. That's what this life's all about. We're all here for the same reason. RV living and RV lifing. Well, I found a gluten-free place that's just French fries. I think they've got chicken also though, right? But you said
it's really hard for me to find French fries because like everywhere we go, it's either cooked in the same fryer, and I'm like, I just want some French fries. And this one, they said it's not cross-contaminated. They what did they call it? A fresh.
He said a single fryer used.
Well, I love French fries, and I'm glad I can eat something.
I had a pretzel. Molly loves pretzels. I didn't want to eat in front of her, so I found this little shack over here to eat it. So 30 minutes and we're gonna hang out and do our meet and greet. Oh, guys, look at this thing. 6 cup holders. You wanna try that thing out? Sit in there. Is it just for looks? XXL. Look at that, man. You can sit in there too. You can put all of our cups in there. Oh, and it fits a lemonade. Oh. It's a good chair. Bro, you play too much.
Up to the middle, up to the middle.
Get it right, because this is your new job. It's so crazy because the front of those coaches is like, it's a sauna. What'd you find?
I love the things on the
Wow. We found a friend. Now we're We+4.
Yeah.
Where do we need to go? You've already staked the place out?
I haven't yet.
Come on, you're on the spot. You gotta tell us. Where are we going,
Little
Liz?
Miss is telling us where to go. Where do you want to go? To the RV.
Well, you're at the right place for an RV. Okay now.
I think we need to sell the motorhome.
Wow. Or I make a deal with you. We just get some property. What do you think, bud? It's a whole house.
Let's get it.
All right, I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna film every single thing here because, well, RVs can be overwhelming. Yeah? You didn't sell it to me.
So I'm talking about, look, we're chilling.
I mean, this is great.
You got a couch in your room in an RV.
There's the
Nice closet.
But what they're doing now, I guess this used to be like a destination trailer, but now you've got, I guess, going over the bed of the truck. So we got a little loft up there. That's a big loft. That's like a queen size.
There is enough room for everybody too.
There is. All right, let's take a look at this bathroom. Okay. Pretty clean, pretty clean, pretty clean. Got a nice shower. Got the little light right there. Washer dryer.
So this is
Oh yeah, there we go. Look, we know we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 people in here. 13, 14. Oh yeah, we can do it. If you want to check it out, it's the Cottage 41FWC. Oh, it feels longer than 42 feet. Almost feels like a 45, but you got all the stabilizers there. Bit of nice for moving. It's great. I love the colors now too.
They're finally figuring it out.
Yeah. This is probably just a couple RV, right? Just a.
Yeah, there's only 2.
We need to have a goal today. Let's see, can we find an RV that's suited for a family with the front layout? Okay, because remember our last one we had to do some customization, right?
Yeah.
So can we find something like that for a family? The nice kitchen. Was this pantry or a toilet? Okay, so you have a half bath. Got the primary bedroom here. Yes, it's definitely just for a couple, but you could put some kiddos in the front. Large bathroom. Very, very cool. One-piece shower. Nice stool there with probably washer and dryer hookups. It's a nice layout though. At least there's AC in here. It's nice.
Oh, those are gonna be open.
Yeah. Well, they have the vent open here to burst the air. Yeah, I love all the colors. The gold with the brown. Bro, you are vibe today. Look how pretty your mom is. Just look at this. She is just a brand of her own. So we are here at the Brinkley booth. Probably one of our, Molly, would you say Brinkley's probably one of our, we like Brinkley. Brinkley, the coloring, the concept, and they got the Gen Y pin boxes on there. You guys don't know about Gen Y, check them out. Probably one of the best pin boxes I have ever had on. When I had a fifth, I had a Gen Y pin box. Looking for a new motorhome? I mean, okay.
Do you want to
What's
check
he
for one
trying
that
to-
has bunks in it?
Let's see. Does this one have bunks?
No, it
Do,
has
do, do,
a
do.
bed, though.
Oh, it'd be up here. Are you gonna lead the way, sweetie? This is a 4369. Oh, nice.
This is nice. We just need a bed for the kids.
Yeah, no bunks. Beautiful coach though. The new coach smell. Wish that ours had something here. Like, I would give up a little bit of the floor storage here to drop this, like in a Prevo, where you drop it and it has stairs, and then you can have all this usable space right there. You figure it out?
Yeah, it's hard.
Les, you need to get Class A, you know. I know Jason's been wanting one. He told me. A lot to see here. A lot to see. You guys know what you want to see?
Not really.
Not really? We're gonna pop in and go buy some AC.
So Lily, when you move out of the home, are you going to get a camper or an RV and start camping like we're doing now?
Most likely, yeah.
Okay, so maybe we should look for something that could be like
We can-
homeschool-wise.
We can tow your RV behind the motorhome. Because it can pull up to 15,000 pounds.
So
Most RV parks, I don't know if they would allow that, but
maybe we should look for things that could benefit her in a few years.
here's the deal though too. If you have the opportunity to get yourself an RV or a travel trailer and not have to pay rent or have an apartment, I would say choose this route. If I would have known this route years ago, I would have done that.
Yes, and also what is like really good is when you're coming to the RV shows, you're able to ask the brands
Yep.
all the questions you have. Like if you're like, hey, how much does this tow? And they can just tell you the answer immediately instead of researching everything online. I mean, we do that anyways. We research as much as we can. But for the most part, you could ask anybody anything, and they're so happy to help you with all of it. What are you doing?
But all seriousness too, a lot of these RVs are only like $400 or $500 a month, typically. My friend just hit me up recently, and he's getting a 40-foot camper. I know it's a bumper pull, and it's like $400 something bucks a month.
That's amazing.
I mean, literally, because they're tired of paying rent. They're tired of doing stuff like that.
And
so
then
now
they're going to
getting on their
actually
own.
be able to own something. And then when the time comes, they can go and travel with the RV.
What's behind
Door
the...
number 1.
Let's go check it out.
A pantry.
Whoa, 3 bunks.
I'm not doing that if that was
You can't.
Get in there, go to sleep.
Night night.
Look, this would be perfect for Lily.
I literally just told you I don't like that.
Look, this one's $229 a month. $25.99, discounted $17,836. Got a little AC going. Look at you. Look at you camping.
I'm right beside the air vent right here. It's so cold.
Hey, this is cozy. That's what I'm saying.
I can't live
Let's go check this one out over here. Fully fiberglass Geopro by Rockwood. This is great for someone who's on their own, or maybe a boyfriend, girlfriend, just got married, looking to get your own place. Like, that's pretty cool.
The murky bed can go up and be hidden during the day.
Yeah, show us. That's awesome. And then when you're done, you have a couch. That's the way to do it. Seriously, saving space is the way to do it. Look, little upgrade. Now you're going to $239 a month. But you do have a double axle trailer. That's the way to do it. TPMS already installed on the tires.
This one has a kitchen with.
This one's super cool.
Look, there's even a bunk up top.
So if you have
You can always
kitty cats,
use
you
it.
can put your cats up there. Dogs.
Electrical.
All you need is Wi-Fi and an outlet, and you're good. What are you doing? Little escape door? That's super cool. All right, see you later. 4 beds. Let's check it out. Bunk storage. Oh, wow. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I would get the 4th top left.
You're upgrading to a 5th wheel version, though.
Yes. So that would mean you would have to have a truck and be able to put it in the back of the bed, but you can get a Gen Y hitch, so.
But
Make it
some of
easier.
these too are, if this is a light version, you actually don't need a diesel. You can actually do like the half tons. You can do a Ford F-150 and it will pull a 5th wheel just fine.
This one has more counter space in it because the other ones only gave me this much space but a little bit smaller, so this
Yep.
one has a whole extra counter.
You can prep here, make all your cookies. Oh look, it comes with a kid. This is very smart. You can open the fridge from both ways. So let's say you're hanging out right there. You want to grab something out of the fridge over here.
Hey, interest.
What if you turn it
Very,
down,
very
because
cool.
the slides come in?
Willow wants to check out this Wildcat. This is a 402 BEDS, so 402 beds. Love the colors, pretty cool. Has probably a room in the back. What you got back there? Pantry. Got a pantry back there. All the cabinets. Super cool with the wallpaper right there. Nice high top. What you got up here?
Bathroom, a bedroom with a huge closet.
Huge closet is always a must when you're traveling on the road. We got the 2-piece shower. Nice closet.
This is a nice AC too. It's cold.
Wow. All right, let's go check out the back. I think there is a bunk room.
Ooh. This one has 2 full beds. And a bathroom.
Even comes with a book by Heather Graham. And an escape route too.
There's a shower back there.
We have another shower. So 2 bed, 2 showers. This segment of the vlog, we really wanted to take the opportunity to homeschool Lily a little bit, but also give her an insight that when Molly and I first started, our apartment used to be about $1,500 a month. Now that same apartment would cost about $2,500 a month. We really just wanted to let Lily know that you could actually have your own place for about $175 to $250 a month, and that anything is reachable if you put your mind to it. We're walking into a Wolfpack Limited. This is a toy hauler, so what you'll do is your back deck would drop down, you bring your toys in. If you look, there is a dovetail right here. Slight little incline. You'll drive your toys up and you can strap everything down to the floor. Or you could just have a dance party. Insert me dancing clip. So we have an event to go to tonight. It is a content creator meetup hangout. Did you already name that?
Not yet.
Okay, we gotta think of a name.
Louie.
Bluey. Credilli. How about Credilli?
No.
Crocodile?
I think she said
Credilli?
Louie.
Crocodilli. We're gonna take you guys into, I guess, our version of our coach, which is an Entegra. We're gonna see maybe 1 or 2 more units and call it good today for day 1. So we have the 44R, which is a bunk model version, which is pretty much hard to find. You typically don't see motorhomes or coaches with bunk beds. That's why we had to add an extra sleeping space in ours, We love the coach. It's been great, especially since we made it how we wanted it. And I know you like it too, having your own space.
This one's ours.
Did you find ours? Let's video. This is our version. Ours is just black and red. So there's all the specs. Nothing's really changed yet. Oh, I do like the entry. I do like the entry. All right, is this the party? Let's go. It's kind of weird being in your RV that's not your RV, but looks like your RV. Got the Victron, you got the solar, almost pretty much the same touchscreen.
Look at the mirrors.
Oh, I like that.
It's really nice.
Hold on a second. Should we upgrade? Nah, if I upgraded, I would do a cornerstone is what I would do.
Yeah.
So they've got, okay, different components in here. Still got the Firefly system. I like the shower tiles too.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. Oh yeah, so I love the new wood colors and everything. Oh yeah, they upgraded the washer and dryer. That was a must. The washer we have has not been that amazing, but it does work, and that's all that counts.
They have
Yeah.
designs on it now.
Which we prefer having the full mirror because you can see your full body when you're getting dressed. Maybe we can do this. That's a good idea. Maybe we'll upgrade our cabinets. So we're looking at the mirrors, how they just basically same cabinet doors, but they covered it up with.
Full mirror? How
Look at
low
that.
would that be if it slammed into this metal thing?
I mean,
That's what I would be worried about. Maybe that needs to be lower.
yeah, I would think that they would just lower that. Yeah, we like our coach. I mean, it's our home, but Lily and I were talking about we would actually prefer just having the full mirror because when you're getting ready,
I mean, I
But-
think my whole outfit.
that's what you would do here.
That is true.
It's crazy seeing your RV, but newer and like empty. I don't know. It's just weird because it's like it's always nice when we're coming home to our RV and it's ours.
Yeah, we
It's
do it
home.
every time we come to a show.
Exactly. Finally had to pull out our map because we are just back and forth, forth and back. Let this guy through. I got you. We go see our friends at ATC. We're gonna go say hello. She actually sent us a clip on the way here of us driving down the highway with the Cybertruck behind the motorhome, ripping. It looks super cool. It's always cool because you don't realize what something looks like when you're inside driving it, and someone sends you a video, you're like, that is awesome. Goals complete. Look, we can put this behind the motorhome. You can just be sleeping on the way.
Can we put it behind the Cybertruck?
We can put it behind the Cybertruck.
Have snacks in here.
Yeah, this is more like just go camping. Could you imagine though? You're laying here, eating popsicles, looking out the view, looking at the water. Is there a little fridge? Oh, there might be. There might be something. Let's go see. So this one's got a 2-burner little stove, and it doesn't have a fridge, but you could probably put one in. You got a 110 here, but it's got a cooler. This one's made for like camping. So if you don't want to stay in a tent, you would just stay in this. Hey, this one here has a little fridge, a skillet, griddle, microwave. Go check it out. Let's see. What do you got? Yeah, this one's nice. You got plenty of room here. You got your own room. Let's see if we can make it W.
You go down with it.
Yeah.
W for Willow. Wait, I gotta do it.
Do you not know how to make a W?
I know how to make it W.
You literally made it in the
All right, let me try it again.
Willow, do it.
Are you gonna do it for me? All right, let's see how you can do it. You do it.
She made a better W than you. You didn't even make a full W.
Hey, I graduated high school, okay? Look at this thing. That thing's beastie. You got the tires on it, got bunks. This is everything you need. And super important, okay? You gotta know this. 10-year structural warranty. I mean, who's doing that in the industry, okay? Yeah, here we go. Nice and cool. You can put your toys here. You got the drop deck. This one's pretty cool. ATC is where it's at. And everything in this unit is fully aluminum. So you could basically come in here with a water hose and clean this entire thing out and nothing would ever mold or mildew. Everything is stainless.
Is this the one that we went to that had them
Yep.
making all the RVs and stuff into a full RV?
Yep. It was very cool. You sure can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you've got a bunk up here. You have plenty of space. You have a big bed down there. So the bathroom is actually a shower and a toilet because you don't need much when you're out camping with all your toys anyways. But you can literally shower in here and everything stays like waterproof.